Hey guys, Keenan back here at Pease Park. I love this particular park because it's in the heart of downtown. Now this particular park was actually one of the first Texas parks donated by Elijah Pease, who served as Texas governor for 2 consecutive eras. One incredible thing about this particular park is it was donated out of his 365 acres of his plantation. As you can see behind me, you've got swing sets, nice little playscape. The playscape is really more of an environmental friendly one that connects the natural aspects of the park so it doesn't really break away from the natural scenery. Butting up to Shoal Creek with a beautiful hike and bike trail, we got some basketball courts, little places to barbecue, as well as a nice picnic area. And another very cool thing is a 1920s old Tudor home, which they use for a lot of really cool events. Nice seating area, something that could be utilized by the entire community. Thank you so much, and let's talk about some other stuff. Pease Park is a large urban park located in Austin, Texas. Spanning 84 acres along Shoal Creek, it provides a green oasis in the heart of the city. This park features trails, picnic areas, a splash pad, and an interactive treehouse, making it a popular spot for both residents and visitors. Good job. There are numerous single-family homes in the neighborhood surrounding Pease Park. These homes vary in architectural style, including traditional plantation homes, moderns, bungalows, and mid-century designs. These areas around Pease Park feature condos and townhomes, which provide a balance between single-family homes and apartment living. The neighborhood around Pease Park includes some historical homes, reflecting Austin's rich architectural heritage. These homes are often well-preserved and add to the charm of the area. Now, given the desirable location near Pease Park and downtown Austin, there are also high-end luxury residents in the area. These properties often come with premium features and stunning views. Given the proximity to the University of Texas Austin, there is student housing available as well. This includes not just on campus, but as well as off-campus options. With Old West Austin, home prices range. They can start somewhere around the $7 to $750 range and go up into the multi-million-dollar ranges for some of their larger lots, old historicals on plantation style settings. Now, Terrytown, those homes also range as well. You can start somewhere around $1 million, and they can also get into the $3, $4, $5, $6, $7, $8 million ranges, really depending on size of some of the new massive teardowns that have been rebuilt into these really beautiful new contemporary homes. Let's talk about a few of the schools near Pease Park. There are several reputable schools located near the area. Let's start with Matthews Elementary School. It's a highly rated public school in Austin Independent School District. What we call here in the area ISDs is Independent School District, and this one does feed into Austin Independent School District. The next one is O. Henry Middle School, another well-regarded public school in the Austin ISD. Last but not least is Austin High School, a historical and high-performing public high school in the area. The neighborhood around Pease Park, such as Old West Austin, West Campus, and Terrytown, have a mix of income levels. Old West Austin and Terrytown are known for their higher income levels, with many affluent residents, while West Campus caters to more students, offering a range of income levels due to the proximity of University of Texas. Hey guys, let's talk about some fun facts about Pease Park. Let's start with the oldest public park. Pease Park is one of the oldest of Austin's public parks, established in the late 19th century. And then of course, everybody knows Eeyore's birthday party. This is an annual event that the park hosts, which is obviously famous Eeyore from Winnie the Pooh. This is a whimsical annual event featuring music, costumes, and activities for all ages. Then there's Shoal Creek Trail. This park is part of the Shoal Creek Trail, a popular route for joggers, cyclists, dog walkers, extending for miles through Austin, and will actually lead you to Town Lake. There's the ecological restoration. Efforts are continually made to restore and preserve the park's natural habitat, including native plant species and wildlife. Then there's the historic war history, where Pease Park was used as a military camp during the Civil War, adding a historical dimension to its significance in Austin. And then let's not forget the troll. If you haven't seen this troll, you will definitely spot him. Just look around.